Good morning, class. As yesterday we have done the exercises based on imperative sentence and interrogative sentences. Now today we are going to continue with the exercises only, but today we are going to do the exercises based on exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are those sentences which express some sudden feelings. Sudden feeling means which we feel when we are happy, when we are sad, or when we have some sorrow. That type of feeling, that sudden feelings are called the exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences always ends with a exclamation mark. Exclamatory sentences are the sudden feeling of joy, pain, surprise, sorrow, etc. Now today we are going to do E and F exercises. They both are, first one is based on exclamatory sentences, that is the match the columns, and in the second one you have to rearrange the following words. We have been given some of the jumble words. You have to just rearrange them and write and arrange the words and form a meaningful sentence from that. Now you have to do these exercises in your book only. This exercise is on page number 12 and half of it is on page number 30. So open in your books, open to page number 12 and let us begin with the exercises. Now today also we are going to continue with English language exercises only, as I have already told you. So open to page number 12 today in your English language books. Read the following sentences. First one is, what a wonderful picture. Today we are going to do the sentences based on exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences express some sudden feeling of joy, pain, surprise, sorrow, etc. Whenever we are happy, we say, hurrah, we have won the match. Oh wow, what is this? How lovely is this? We say na, like this. So they are all the sudden feelings which come from all the sudden feelings. They are all exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence always ends with the exclamation mark. Read the following sentences. What a wonderful picture. At the end there is an exclamation mark. How beautiful the sky is. At the end there is an exclamation mark. B1 is what a win. At the end there is an exclamation mark. Fourth one is what a sad story. At the end there is an exclamation mark. Each of these sentences has an exclamation mark either after the sentence or the exclamatory word. Some of the sentences have the exclamation mark at the end and some of the sentences have the exclamation after the exclamatory words. Such sentences are known as exclamatory sentences. These sentences expresses some sudden feeling of happiness, sorrow, surprise or surprise. These words are wow, hurrah, alas, oh no, etc. are used for exclamation. Now, today we are going to do E and F exercises. E exercises match the exclamatory word with the sentences one has been done for you. This is column A and this is column B. So the first one is shh. Shh. The answer for this which have been done over here is wrong. In the book it is printed wrong. So grandmother is resting. First one is this one. First one is C1. So you have to correct this also. This one is wrong. In the book it is printed wrong. So please correct it in your books also. Grandmother is resting. Wow. What a tall building. Second one is A1. Hooray, hooray. We have won the prize. So third one is F1. Ouch. I hurt my finger. Yummy. Strawberry ice cream is my favorite. Hi, what is your name? So sixth one is E1. Correct the misprinted one, because the first one which we have been given is wrong, so you have to correct it. Now let us move to the F exercise. F exercise is on page number 13. This is the F exercise. In this, you have to rearrange the following group of words to form the meaningful sentences. In this, you have to, the same as we have done earlier, the same you have to do. You have to rearrange these words. The first one is the keys of the car, the of keys, car, table, on the are. So the correct sentence for this will be the keys of the car are on the table. Second one is, see, have you Taj Mahal the? Have you seen the Taj Mahal? This is a question, so put the question mark at the end. Is Sania a skirt wearing new? Is Sania wearing a new skirt? So where they are asking the question, you have to put the question mark at the end. Fourth one is, are kept eggs on table on the. So the correct answer for this will be eggs are kept on the table. Put a full stop at the end. Fifth one is, 6 candles there on the table are. There are 6 candles on the table. Put a full stop at the end. Sixth one is, a rabbit fast runs. A rabbit runs fast. Put a full stop at the end of this 6th sentence. Now, as we have completed with E and F exercises that are on page number 12 and 13. In classwork, you have to do these 2 exercises, E and F, in your books only. Now, homework for you all is to, today you have to write this E exercise, that is, match the exclamatory word with sentences. You have to do this E exercise in your notebooks also. Homework for you is to do this, match the following in your notebooks. Thank you.